Even though you have a modern printer that have a lot of sensors and smart algorithms that help you print perfect 3D models, sometimes you could experience weird issues with the first layer. One which is most frustrating is the wrinkles, like this one. The layer is attached to the bed, but for some reason the lines are not perfectly flat. Why it's frustrating, you ask? Because in recent years it was hard to find the reason for it. And many times these wrinkles are visible on the bottom side of your 3D printed model. Smart users of 3D printers found the solution for it. It's very simple. Just set the extrusion width of the first layer wider than default. If it's 0.5 mm in your slicer, change it to 0.55 or 0.6 mm. And it will go away just like that. What's the reason of these wrinkles? Well, it looks like there is too much extrusion of the filament and there is not enough space for it. So it starts to raise or go sideways. Why does this happen? Well, not every filament is the same. Even the same PLA from different manufacturers, PETG, ABS, PC or PA, everything have different extrusion rates due to the material density. Even if printer can calculate its own pressure advance, the variable speed of printing can cause this effect. So, if you have Bambu Studio, just choose Advanced mode in Prepare tab and then find the Quality tab, Line Width, and change Initial Layer to higher value. For example, 0.6 mm. In PrusaSlicer or similar, change mode to Normal, go to Print Settings, then Advanced, and within extrusion width, change first layer to 0.6 mm. In both scenarios, I'm assuming we are using 0.4 mm nozzle. Great, we fixed that. The second common problem will be just dirty or greasy bed sheet. You can see holes and basically bad adhesion. Just clean the bed with soap and water. You can check my video about it in the description. The third problem are holes between extruded lines. This is happening because there is not enough flow of filament. We could change the nozzle height like in the old days, but now we can do it faster. Instead of adjusting first layer extrusion rate, which is too complicated, we can just slow down printing of the first layer. Thanks to that, we have enough time, sorry, not this one, this one. Thanks to that, filament will have enough time to spread to sides and connect to each line. Changing settings like that is very simple. In Bambu Studio, you need to go to Speed tab, of course in Advanced mode, and check the initial layer speed. I suggest to use 50 mm per second for walls and infill as well. Some printers and filaments can handle even 200 mm per second without any issue. But if you check actual speed of printing, you will see it tops much lower due to the geometry of 3D model and printing area. Anyway, we came to the last common issue of the first layer in modern printers, and this is a brittle connection between lines. So it is easy to break. I have which one is this one? The issue somehow is connected to the third one with the holes between lines, but there is no holes. To fix that, you can slow down and please check the printing temperature. If the nozzle is too cold, the filament will not bond together with other lines strong enough. You can change one setting at a time to be sure which one is fixing the problem. To raise nozzle temperature in Bambu Studio, please go to the three dots next to your filament. Click Edit and scroll down to Nozzle. And then be sure that the temperature is set within the specification of manufacturer. Usually, we use 5 to 10 degrees Celsius more on the first layer to get perfect bonding. In PrusaSlicer and similar, you need to go to Filaments tab and change Nozzle First Layer Temperature. The idea of printing first layer hotter is the same. If you ask why don't we adjust extrusion or flow, It is because the issue is only appearing in the first layer, and if we change flow settings, it will affect whole model and cause issues later on. As a bonus to this episode, I will tell you that I tried to make all those mistakes on Creality High printer with our Filament PLA matte October Red. But it was impossible to create these issues, which is funny in my opinion. I really tried, but didn't work. Well, that's all for today. I hope you learned something and you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.